Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch. Does it work? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, does the airplane mode glitch here work? Now, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, the airplane mode glitch here, from the word itself, it's a glitch. So meaning the developers are currently working for a way to remove this totally from the game, but still, if you want to use this, you may want to proceed with caution because you may or you can actually get banned if you abuse this specific glitch in here. But how do we exactly use it, or how does it actually work? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to remember a few things. So first, you want to remember where your token is currently at. So currently, this is where my token is, and you want to also remember what is your multiplier. Now, currently, I'm going to use the times. Let's just say the times 10 multiplier. So this is the multiplier I want to use for this specific run. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to go and turn off your, or you want to turn on airplane mode in your phone, and you want to start rolling. Now, you need to do this quite quickly here because, again, there's going to be a pop-up that will actually block your screen. So I'm going to do it. So let's go and just go to our settings here. Let's go and just click on airplane mode. Now, it will basically turn on their airplane mode. Click on go, and we actually got a 9, and we actually got a 7. And let's go ahead and click on another one here until we get the no connection notification in here. So it might take a while. So let's go and click on go, flip, and flip until we get to the another section. So again, we got a 9, we got a 7, and we should also be able to roll another one here. So it might take a while, so just wait for it until you get the no internet. So as you can see right now, we got the no internet. So this is where everything actually ends. So what do you need to do next? So remember, we got a 9 and we got a 7 here. So let's go and exit this page, and you want to go and press and hold on Monopoly Go, and you want to visit the app info. So to visit app info, you want to go and click on the eye icon here that pops up, or if you want to do this the long way, go to your settings, go to apps, and just look for Monopoly Go, and you should be able to see app info. But yeah, in here you want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right of the screen, click on clear all data, click on OK, and once you've done that, you can go and exit this page. You want to go and go to your settings, turn off airplane mode, and you could go and just basically turn on your Wi-Fi if you've turned it off. But yeah, once you've done that in Wi-Fi, or you've turned off your airplane mode, or you're online now, you go and open up Monopoly Go. Again, it's really important you clear all data before accessing your account again so that you can start fresh again. So yeah, let's go and just click on don't allow in here and just wait for a while. Now, typically what you need to do is you just need to re-log in into your account, so you'll see what I'm talking about later on. So again, we played the game offline, and we actually got to see what we are going to get, a 9 and a 7. Let's go and choose our age in here. Let's go and click on I agree. Click on play with friends, and just log in through your Facebook account. Now, once you are logged in, we are able to experiment with what we call the airplane mode glitch. Let's just wait for a while in here until it actually loads up. Now, the great thing about this one, it actually allows you to really see or maximize your rolls. So if you are into that, and as you can see, it's going to give us the pop-ups. And you'll notice that, again, let's go and just close a bunch of things in here that we don't need. We are back at our starting point. Now, from here, like what I said before, we actually got a 9 and we got a 7. So let's go and test that out. Now, the thing with this one is, as long as you keep the same multiplier, you're pretty much going to get the same results every time. So again, I'm in the times 10 multiplier in this position. I should get a 9. Let's go and click on go. And as you can see, I got a 9 again. Now, if I roll again in here, the thought process, or like what I'm saying in here, as long as I keep the times 10 multiplier, I should get a 7. But the thing with this one, maybe I don't want to get a 7. Maybe I landed on a jail. What do you need to do? Well, you just need to change your multiplier here, like a times 20. Instead of a 10, I'm going to use times 20, and it will change the outcome. And in here, I actually got a 4 instead of a 7. And that's basically what or how you use the glitch Well, yeah. So currently, this is the only that is how you use it. But obviously, like what I said before, if you abuse this too much, you may get banned. So what am I actually talking about? Now, since the glitch actually gives you the power to predict what your roles are going to be, it actually is like a kind of like a cheat inside the game. And for some reason, they actually limit the amount of logins that you get on for Monopoly Go. Like what we did before, we have to re-log in, log out, re-log in, log in again into your account again and again. And this will actually give you the warnings, limit warning. For security reasons, for amount of logins per 24 hours is limited. So this is actually to prevent users from abusing that specific glitch. So again, you may want to proceed with caution here and really think about if you want to use it, because again, it's a glitch. It's actively being removed by the developers. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.